Welcome to our video on words starting with R. Today we explore less basic words, their meanings, Spanish translations, common collocations, and typical examples to help you learn, understand, and remember how they are used in real English. Relative, a family member. She is my closest relative. Relevant, closely connected to the subject. His comment is relevant to the discussion. Irrelevant, not important, useful, or connected to the subject being discussed. His comments were irrelevant to the discussion. Reliable, able to be trusted or depended on. He is a reliable friend. She bought a reliable car that rarely has mechanical problems. John is a reliable employee who always finishes his work on time. Always check that the information comes from a reliable source. Rely on, to depend on or trust someone or something. You can rely on me. Trust means believing that someone is honest, good, or tells the truth, while rely on means depending on someone because you know they will help you or do what is expected. For example, I trust my friend with my secrets means I believe he is trustworthy, while I rely on my friend for help means I count on him when I need support. Trustworthy, able to be trusted, honest, reliable, and dependable. He is a trustworthy friend. He is trustworthy and always keeps his promises. He is trustworthy because he never lies, and reliable because he always arrives on time. Relief, a feeling of comfort after stress. She felt relief when the exam was over. Relieve, to reduce stress or pain. This medicine will relieve your headache. Relocate, to move to a new place to live or work. They will relocate to Canada next year. Relocate is commonly used for moving to a new place, often for work, business, or long-term reasons, while words like move are more general and can refer to any change of home or location. For example, a company may relocate its offices, and an employee may relocate to another city for a new job. Remain, to stay in the same place or condition. Only a few students remain in the classroom. Remainder, the part left after the rest is gone. He ate 2 cookies and left the remainder for his sister. After lunch, she spent the remainder of the day studying. Remaining, still left. The remaining books are on the shelf. We must finish the project within the remaining time. The remaining contestants will move to the next round. Remark, something said about a situation or person. She made a remark about the new policy. In English, both comment and remark mean something you say about a situation. A comment is more general and neutral, while a remark is often shorter and sometimes has a special tone, like funny, critical, or rude. For example, she made a comment about the weather is neutral, but he made a rude remark during the meeting shows the tone. Remedy, a way to fix a problem or cure a disease. This medicine is a remedy for colds. Remorse, a deep feeling of guilt. He felt remorse for lying to his friend. Remote, far away in distance or time. The cabin is in a remote area of the mountains. Remove, employee, to take someone out of a job. The board removed the director from his position. In English, there are different words to say that someone loses their job. Fire is the most common in daily life, usually when an employee did something wrong. Dismiss is more formal and often used in legal or official contexts. Remove is less common in everyday speech and is usually used when talking about positions of power or responsibility, like a director or a leader. Renew, to make something valid for a longer period. I need to renew my passport. Renounce, to give up a claim or right. He decided to renounce his title. Renovate, to make a building new again. They will renovate the old house. Rent, to pay for using something temporarily. We rent an apartment in the city. Rental, something available to rent. The car rental is near the airport. Repair, to fix something broken. He will repair the broken chair. Repay, to give back money owed. I will repay the loan next month. Repayment, the act of paying back money. The repayment of the debt is due in June. Repeat, to say or do again. Please repeat the question. Repellent, a substance used to drive away insects. Use mosquito repellent on your skin. Replace, to take the place of something. We need to replace the old carpet. Replacement, something that takes the place of another. The replacement for the broken window arrived today. The mechanic ordered a replacement part for the broken engine. We need to find a replacement for our goalkeeper before the next match. The company hired a replacement worker while the employee was on leave. On leave, temporarily away from work, usually with permission. He is on paternity leave. She is on sick leave. The manager is on leave this week. While our teacher was on leave, a substitute taught the class. Replay, to show or perform again. The game was exciting, so we watched the replay. Replica, an exact copy of something. The museum has a replica of the ancient vase. Represent, to act or speak for someone. The lawyer will represent the client in court. Repress, to hold back feelings or actions. He tried to repress his anger during the meeting. Reproduce, to make a copy or have offspring. The artist can reproduce the painting perfectly. Reptile, a cold-blooded animal like a snake or lizard. The zoo has a section for reptiles. Reputation, the general opinion about someone or something. She has a good reputation as a teacher. Reserve, to save or keep something for later. We reserve a table at the restaurant every Friday. They visited a nature reserve to see wild animals. The country has large oil reserves underground. Require, to need something. The job requires good communication skills. Request, to ask for something politely. I requested extra time to finish the project. Rescue, to save someone from danger. Firefighters rescued the child from the burning house. Researcher, someone who studies or investigates something. The researcher discovered a new species of bird. Resentment, a feeling of anger or bitterness. He felt resentment toward his colleague. Residence, a home or place where someone lives. The ambassador's residence is very large. Resign, to leave a job voluntarily. He decided to resign from his position. Resigned, accepting something unpleasant without complaint. He felt resigned to the long wait. Resolve, to find a solution or make a decision. The company resolved the issue with the customers. Solve is used for practical or mathematical problems, like puzzles, equations, or everyday problems, while resolve is more formal and is used for conflicts, issues, or complex situations that need a solution or agreement. Resource, a supply or source of help or information. Water is an important natural resource. Respect, a feeling of admiration or consideration. Students should show respect to their teachers. Respond, to reply or react to something. She responded quickly to the email. Responsibility, a duty or obligation. It is your responsibility to take care of the dog. Responsible, having the duty or control over something, she is responsible for the project. Restore, to bring something back to its original condition. They plan to restore the old building. Restriction, a rule or limit. There is a restriction on using mobile phones in class. Result, the outcome of an action or event. The result of the exam was excellent. Resume, a document showing education and work experience. She sent her resume to the company. Retail, selling goods to the public. The store sells clothes at retail. Retire, to stop working due to age. He will retire next year. Retired, no longer working due to age. My grandfather is retired. Retirement, the period after leaving work. She enjoys her retirement by traveling. Retrieve, to get something back. He retrieved his bag from the lost and found. Return, to give back or go back. Please return the book to the library. Return, to go back to a place, person, or situation. After the holiday, she returned to work. He returned home late at night. Return, to take something back to a store or seller because you do not want it or it has a problem. She returned the jacket because it was too small. You can return the product within 30 days. Reveal, to make known or show. The magician revealed the secret of the trick. Revenge, to do harm to someone in return for a wrong. She sought revenge for the insult. Revival, the act of bringing back to life or popularity. There is a revival of interest in traditional crafts. Revolution, a major change in politics or society. The country experienced a revolution in 1789. Revolving, turning around a central point. The revolving door spins as people enter and exit. Reward, something given in recognition of effort or achievement. She received a reward for her honesty. Rheumatism, a disease causing pain in joints or muscles. He suffers from rheumatism in his knees. Rhinoceros, a large animal with 1 or 2 horns on its nose. The rhinoceros lives in African savannas. Rhyme, words that sound the same at the end. Cat and hat rhyme. Rice, a type of grain that is a basic food eaten in many countries. I usually eat rice with chicken for lunch. Rice pudding, a sweet dish made with rice and milk. She cooked rice pudding for dessert. Rid, to get rid of something unwanted. She wants to rid her house of old furniture. Riddle, a question or statement that requires thought to answer. He gave me a riddle to solve. Ride, to sit on and control an animal or vehicle. We took a ride on horseback. Riding, the activity or sport of riding a horse. She takes riding lessons every Saturday. Horse riding is one of her favorite hobbies. Ridiculous, very silly or unreasonable. It's ridiculous to wear a coat in summer. Thank you for watching. Now you know more R words, their meanings, and how to use them in sentences. Keep practicing, and you'll expand your vocabulary every day.